on this ship, and we're just trying to hold on to survive as the computer yells at us and tells us threat incoming. I'm like, okay, so we have a threat incoming zone blue. So we say, Adam, can you move zone blue? Adam, go over there. I'm gonna jiggle this mouse. So if I don't jiggle the mouse on the computer, the whole ship will shut down, and we're probably
the computer will go to sleep, and we can't.
And then Adam will see the giant space crab coming at us. And he'll say, okay, I'm gonna fire the laser. And he'll say, okay,
space crab.
There's a space crab.
This game is ridiculous. I love it.
And it's gonna be coming at you. Adam will say, okay, I'm gonna shoot the laser, and he'll shoot it, and then he'll realize, oh wait, we didn't have any energy down below. Because Jesse forgot to refresh it.
This is the smallest game board I've ever seen of any board game.
So this whole time we'll be frantically trying to deal with all these threats. Too many so pretty much too many threats that you can actually deal with, and just hoping the ship doesn't explode. So this is an exercise.
Sounds like a stressful game.
It's an exercise in just surviving. So it'll be yes, it is stressful. It's a. It'll be easy. We can survive in the beginning because we won't have all the threats. We'll just have the external threats and none of the internal threats, which will be helpful. But as the game goes on, we get more elements. It'll be harder.
No, I want to be the red guy this time.
No.
I want to be the red guy this time.
Everyone, get your stuff in front of you. You just have to use the 1 through 7.
Oh, just the 1 through 7.
Oh, we don't need.
So we can do the tutorial mission.
Dad, do you want to play or you just want to?